My name is Jodie Philips and I work for Data Cymru. Part of my role in Data Cymru is working on the Dewis Cymru project. I'm the Dewis Cymru administrator for the site. Dewis Cymru is a new national wellbeing resource directory. It contains information from your Zumba class right up until your residential care home and anything in between. Key to its success was raising awareness for both members of the public and also professionals. So we approached Practice Solutions to create a short promotional video highlighting how Dewis Cymru can help people. The video was used as part of a public launch campaign in July at the Royal Welsh Show, and it also forms part of the About Dewis Cymru page, which is on the website. The team met with us to discuss our ideas about the video. They listened to our views and we were able to turn these into an initial storyboard. The team were happy to hear about our feedback and they changed the plans of the storyboard accordingly. The team were really flexible, and once all of this was agreed, they were able to source appropriate content for the video, resulting in the product that we were presented with. The resulting product has been really well received. The promotional video allowed us to effectively present Dewis to a wide range of audiences. The YouTube version is available to anyone via the web, and we've been able to embed it in our social media campaign, and many of the local authority colleagues have also utilised the video as part of their local promotion. The video is included in an advertorial prepared by Wales Online during the launch week in July. Figures suggest that in July and August 2018 we've seen a 33% and 45% increase in the site usage. That's compared to June 2018, but it's certainly played a huge part in its level of success. We've worked with Practice Solutions for a number of years, and they've produced other videos as part of the organisation, not just this video. I've definitely used Practice Solutions again for future work.